keep you in my heart is where you are.
Hi family, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you are an old subscriber, welcome back to my channel. Well, if you just joined this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to join this family. As I said in my 38 weeks ultrasound video, my time is almost due and I deliver my baby within a twinkle of an eye, and I'm so tired because my time is due and I feel everything that I need to feel at this stage. As you can see, I really wanted to unbox this video as soon as possible. My husband is approved to travel abroad. We didn't expect this to happen this soon because he applied in just a few months and he's approved. But thankfully, he is waiting for the baby to be born, for the baby to get about 3 months before he goes. But still, he's very busy going here and they're preparing to travel, That's why this unboxing is taking so long. But finally, we are doing it. The house is chaos. Everything is chaos. But then, it's a good news, It takes some people a year or two to be approved. And some are denied, but he is approved and it's a good news. So, but who knows, So this baby bassinet is from Baby's Trend and I really love it. The quality is just on top notch and it looks very durable. So if you're pregnant and you want to have a very quality bassinet, you can check Baby Trend. They are just so on top notch. Well, as you can see, my kids and my husband are helping me out and I am the one filming the video because I'm just so exhausted. I have already started feeling contractions, but it's not consistent. But I believe I'll have my baby this week, so I'm so anxious to do this video before I deliver the baby already. So we need to do it. My kids are just so anxious for this baby to be born. When I start feeling a little contraction, they'll all come and gather, "Mommy, are you okay? Mommy, is the baby coming?" And all that. We just can't wait to have this baby in this house. Oh my God. You can see this took us like ages to be able to finish because the manual was not in English, so it took us ages to be able to fix everything together. They also have the baby changing table, which I don't think I will use because to me the changing table is not stable for the baby. What if the baby falls down? But I think you can still use it if you want to, but I don't think I will use it. And finally, baby bassinet is fixed. It's quite unfortunate. The mattress I ordered for this bassinet is much smaller than the space, but I'll still manage this mattress until baby reaches about a year to two. When the mattress becomes very small, then I'll buy a bigger one than what I bought. Unfortunately, the mattress is much smaller than the bassinet, but I'll manage it, Okay, so I was made to believe that this bathing tub would come with 2 buckets, but unfortunately it came with 1 bucket. Seriously, I was really pissed when I saw it. Next one is the baby carrier from Chico, which I love so much. Okay, so I already unboxed it. Because I ordered for a gray one, but just check the color they gave me. But I still love this color because it matches my mother care bag. It just matches, the color is just the same as if I planned it, so it's perfect. Just love this baby carrier. I can't wait to try this. I can't wait to see my baby in it,
Hi guys.
My kids thought they were filming this video. Unfortunately, they didn't film it. The next thing I knew is the machine is already rolling and there's nothing I can do about it. So I couldn't show you the unboxing of the baby clothes. But I actually have unboxing video from Shane and I'll do it very soon. Thank you guys.